In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Batman Arkham Origins online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to properly set up Batman Arkham Origins and play online. So, as you might be aware, the game is available for PC and PlayStation, and WB or Warner Bros. Had dedicated servers that were used for the online mode of this game. Now, if you visit the official Steam store page of the game, you will see this message right away. As of December 4th, 2016, the online portion of Batman Arkham Origins will be retired. Now, this is actually true. If you play on PC and you try to connect, you are just going to get the usual service error message. So, if you go over to the wiki, for example, they actually state here that as of January 2021, matches can no longer be found on PC unless you have a modded client. However, for whatever reason, PlayStation matchmaking still works. Even before this, it actually used to work. So basically, to answer the question in the title of this video, if you are on PlayStation, you can just try playing as usual. Of course, not many people play the game, and because of this, it can take hours to actually find a populated match. But if you are willing to, you just have to try searching and connect to the online services, and you should be good to go. On PC, this is never going to work, and this is why you have to use this file here available on GitHub. This file or program is named Arkham Revived, and as the name suggests, it allows you to host a server and play with other people who also have this tool downloaded. Unfortunately, due to the way that I'm recording this video, I won't be able to show it in action, and because I don't think I'll actually be able to get a match going for you, like I said, they are extremely limited, but this is all you have to do. After you download this tool and you include your Steam ID here, which is very easy to acquire, you just have to click on this website here, Steam ID Finder, you will be able to properly connect to the online services. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Batman Arkham Origins online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.